Hey everyone, welcome back to Alltech, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in tech. Today we're reviewing the Apple 3-in-1 multifunction Bluetooth speaker. A portable speaker, alarm clock, and phone stand all in one. Is it worth your money? Let's find out. Oh, if you want to know more detail about this product, you may check the link in the description box below. Design and build. The Apple Bluetooth speaker features a sleek, modern design that easily fits into any space, whether it's your office desk, nightstand, or travel bag. One of its standout features is the foldable stand, which securely holds your phone while you listen to music or take calls. The 12-hour digital time display ensures you always have the right time, and its adjustable alarm clock is a great bonus for heavy sleepers. Audio quality. Now let's talk about sound. The Apple speaker is powered by advanced digital signal processing technology, delivering clear and powerful HD surround sound with minimal distortion. Whether you're playing music, watching videos, or taking calls, the full-range speaker system provides balanced lows, mids, and highs for an immersive experience. It's not just loud, it's crisp and clean. Pairing is super simple with Bluetooth 5.3, ensuring a fast and stable connection to your smartphone, tablet, or laptop. The speaker also supports TF card playback, so you can enjoy your favorite tracks without needing a Bluetooth connection. Plus, it features a microphone external output, allowing you to use it for hands-free calls with great clarity. This device is not just about sound, it's packed with versatile features. The loud alarm clock ensures you wake up on time, while its adjustable volume settings let you customize your listening experience. The built-in microphone makes it perfect for hands-free conversations, whether you're traveling, on a business trip, or driving. Setting up the Apple speaker is incredibly easy. Within a few taps, you can pair your phone and start playing music. It also automatically syncs the time with your phone, so you never have to worry about adjusting the clock manually. So, is the Apple 3-in-1 Bluetooth speaker worth it? Absolutely. For a multifunctional device that serves as a speaker, phone stand, and alarm clock, it offers great sound quality, convenience, and style. Whether you're buying it for yourself or as a gift, it's a fantastic all-in-one solution for music lovers and busy professionals alike. What do you think of this speaker? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews on Alltech. See you in the next video.